Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Apple Wallet or Apple Pay, and double click is not working. So there are 4 solutions. First up, Apple Pay not opening when double clicks the side button. I'll show you how you can fix it. First up, just go to settings and then just go to wallet and Apple Pay. Just simply search up wallet and Apple Pay. Over here, just make sure you turn on double click side button. So if you see the option of double click side button, just simply turn it on. Now you gotta be in the settings again and just go to Face ID and passcode. So just simply search up Face ID and passcode, and right over here you just need to make sure that Apple Pay is enabled and your passcode is set. So right over here, as you can see, I have it enabled on everything like password autofill, connectless, and payments, and just simply make sure that it's enabled. Okay, now restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button and then slide to power off and turn it back on after a few seconds. Now the last solution works for everyone. Just simply go to settings. Okay, right over here you just need to go to general and then software update, and just make sure you install the latest update. And then I also got a bonus tip for you. If it still doesn't work, check your side button physically if it's damaged. And that's it. One of these should fix your problem. So yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.